What's up, gang? My name's Jason and you're watching Over 40 Fitness TV. In today's Quick Tip Tuesday, I want to talk about the headphones that I wear, what I like about them and what I don't like about them in this completely unbiased and unsponsored review. But before we get started, if you hear something that I say during this video and you think to yourself, hey, I kind of like what that guy has to say, would you be so kind as to hit the like button down in the bottom right hand corner of the screen? What that does is it tells YouTube that, hey, other people might like what this guy has to say, and it puts this video at the top of the search results. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos that I have. So for the last 2 years, I've been wearing Aftershox headphones when I go running. They're bone conducting technology, which means they actually sit on the outside of your ear rather than in your ear canal. What I like about this is that I'm able to hear everything around me. I can hear cars coming up, I can hear cyclists coming up from behind me or other runners, and when I run in wildlife areas, I can actually hear the wildlife around me. So it's a huge safety feature to be able to hear the world around you but still be able to listen to your music. What I also like about them is that they're just very comfortable. They don't bounce when I run. I don't even really notice that they're there. They just work. They connect to my Bluetooth every single time. I never have a connection loss. The battery lasts for like a week and a half, 2 weeks, and charging them takes probably an hour or so. And so they just work the way they're supposed to work. And so now let's talk about the things that I don't like about them. I'm an audiophile, and so because they sit on the outside of your ear and they use bone conducting technology, the audio quality is really not that great. You're not going to get deep basses or crisp highs, but you are going to get a nice quality sound where you'll be able to follow along with the music and it doesn't sound muddy. It just sounds clear. But if you're looking for something deep and immersive, you're just not going to get that with these. When I run, I listen to a couple of different options. One is music and another would just be like podcasts. And so for those purposes, these headphones work great. So even though they don't have fantastic audio quality, I do highly recommend them and have just been in love with them since I started using them a couple years ago. I've placed a link down in the description below where you can go check them out and learn more about them and see all the different varieties of headphones and different models that Aftershox sells. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And with that, I'm out of time.